There's a moment in trading where the loss is already decided, and it happens before you enter. Not when the candle flips, not when the stop gets hit. It happens when your brain says, "I need a trade." That sentence is lethal because the market doesn't reward participation. It rewards precision. And the need to do something is not discipline. It's pressure. And pressure makes you negotiate with your standards. That's when the edge starts to rot. And most traders repeat that moment every single day without realizing it. That's why Chinese discipline feels extreme, because it forces you to confront that moment instead of escaping it. You think you overtrade because you're emotional. You don't. You overtrade because you can't tolerate inactivity. That's more dangerous. Emotions spike. Restlessness lingers. You open the charts. Nothing qualifies. 2 minutes pass. 5. You feel it. That's subtle internal friction. Not fear. Not excitement. Just tension. Your brain interprets tension as opportunity. So you start searching, zooming in, switching time frames, redrawing structure. You call it analysis, but you're lowering the bar. And the trade you take won't feel reckless. It will feel justified. That's what makes it expensive. You weren't executing edge. You were escaping stillness. And every time you escape stillness through action, you weaken your filter. Wu Wei begins exactly there, at the ability to sit inside tension without trying to solve it, because accuracy requires silence. And most traders are terrified of silence. When people hear Wu Wei, they think it means doing nothing. Wrong. Wu Wei is non-interference. It means action only when structure supports it, not when desire demands it. Most traders reverse the sequence. And this is why most traders can be right on direction and still lose money. Because direction doesn't save you from poor timing. Structure does. They act first, then hope conditions cooperate. Wu Wei flips it. Conditions first, action second. And that sounds simple, but psychologically, it's brutal. Because it means you don't act when you want to. You act when it's earned. That requires restraint, not forced restraint, neutral restraint. And neutrality in trading is rare. That's why it's profitable. Let's make this uncomfortable. Your strategy requires higher time frame alignment, liquidity sweep, structural shift, clean pullback. For conditions, today you have two. Price is almost trending. Structure is forming. Momentum looks strong. Almost. That word destroys accounts. Because almost feels intelligent. You can justify it. You can explain it. You can screenshot it. But it didn't fully qualify. And you knew it. Wu Wei is ruthless completeness. If one condition is missing, the trade does not exist. Not because you're rigid. Because partial alignment corrupts expectancy. Most traders don't blow up from bad trades. They decay from compromised standards. Edges don't collapse. They erode. Slowly. Quietly. Let's say your system works over 100 trades. Positive expectancy. Proven structure. Now you add just 2 marginal trades per session. By the end of the month, your data is contaminated. Performance feels inconsistent. You tweak the strategy. Adjust stops. Blame volatility. But the system wasn't broken. Your filtration was. Wu Wei protects statistical purity. This is what Chinese philosophy understood centuries ago. Power is not found in constant action. It's found in disciplined restraint. Every low-quality trade isn't just risk. It's distortion. And distorted data creates emotional instability. Because now you can't trust your own numbers. And once trust is gone, discipline becomes fragile. Try this. Tomorrow, open your charts. And refuse to trade unless every condition aligns perfectly. Then observe yourself. Do you feel calm or irritated? Do you feel focused or restless? Most traders don't struggle with losses. They struggle with waiting. Waiting exposes insecurity. Waiting exposes the need to feel productive. Waiting exposes fear of irrelevance. Wu Wei doesn't remove discomfort. It builds tolerance to it. And once discomfort stops controlling behavior, discipline stops feeling forced. Ego in trading isn't loud. It's subtle. It shows up when you want to be early, when you want to catch the move before confirmation, when you enter before the candle closes because you're confident. That's not confidence. That's identity. You want to feel sharp. You want to feel ahead. You want to be right before everyone else. Wu Wei has no interest in being first. It only cares about structural alignment. Ego needs validation. Structure needs confirmation. One is emotional. The other is mechanical. And mechanical execution scales. Validation doesn't. There are two entry styles. Anticipation. Inevitability. Anticipation tries to catch the beginning. Inevitability enters after confirmation. Yes, you sacrifice a few points, but you eliminate a massive amount of uncertainty. Most retail traders optimize for early entries. Professionals optimize for reduced randomness. Wu Wei doesn't try to capture the whole move. It waits until resistance is already collapsing, not when you hope it will. That single shift removes dozens of unnecessary trades per month. Every trade has a visible cost, risk, but it also has an invisible one, cognitive contamination. After a loss, you tighten up. After a win, you loosen. After a near miss, you chase. Your perception of the next setup is no longer neutral. It's biased by the previous outcome. Trade too frequently, and your internal baseline destabilizes. Wu Wei protects neutrality. It limits exposure not just to risk, but to emotional fluctuation. Because consistency isn't only structural, it's psychological stability over time. And stability collapses under constant engagement. Let's walk through a session. Pre-market, you define everything. Bias, zones, invalidation, risk cap. The session opens. Price explodes. Chat rooms are celebrating. Twitter is screaming breakout. And you're still doing nothing. You're not in. You feel it. That internal pull. You missed it. You stay still. Because missing movement is not missing your setup. Price runs further. Still nothing. Then finally, your zone. But no structural shift yet. You wait. Liquidity sweep. Break confirmed. Pullback forms. Now execution. No hesitation. No size adjustment. No stop movement. Win or lose, irrelevant. The decision was made before volatility began. That's Wu Wei. Minimal interference. Maximum alignment. Most traders think they're disciplined until they're in a trade. Then everything changes. Stops get adjusted. Targets get tightened. Size gets modified. Why? Because they're deciding while exposed. That's the mistake. Wu Wei separates decision from exposure. All decisions are made in calm states. Execution is mechanical. Once you're in the trade, your job is over. No debate. No negotiation. No micromanagement. If you still feel the urge to manage constantly, you didn't accept the risk before entering. An unaccepted risk always creates interference. There's a paradox in trading. The more you try to control outcomes, the less control you have over yourself. You move stops to feel safer. You close early to feel smarter. You add size to feel confident. But none of that increases edge. It increases emotional volatility. Control feels responsible. Interference feels active. But most of the time, it's disguised anxiety. Wu Wei doesn't control the market. It controls participation. Once structure confirms and risk is defined, you step back. Because beyond that point, control is illusion. And illusion is expensive. Here's a metric no one brags about. How often you are flat. Not your win rate. Not your returns. Your inactivity ratio. If that number makes you uncomfortable, that's the point. The more consistent a trader becomes, the less they are in the market. That should bother you. Because most traders measure effort by engagement. But engagement is not performance. Exposure is not productivity. If you need to trade daily to feel effective, you are still emotionally dependent on movement. Wu Wei removes that dependency. And dependency in trading is weakness. Eventually, this stops being about setups. It becomes about who you are under uncertainty. Every marginal trade reinforces one identity. Reactive, restless, easily pulled. Every qualified trade you wait for reinforces another. Stable, selective, unaffected by noise. The market is shaping you every day, not just financially, psychologically. And the real question isn't, did I win? It's, did I act in alignment? Because a winning impulsive trade still weakens you, and a losing aligned trade still strengthens you. That's the shift most traders never make. You don't need more motivation. You need fewer impulses. The market was never something to dominate. It was something to filter. Most traders lose not because they lack knowledge, but because they lack restraint. That's what makes traders dangerous. Not aggression, not prediction, restraint. And that is the core of Chinese discipline. Wu Wei is restraint without tension, action without forcing, participation without desperation. And if you master that, trading becomes quieter, cleaner, less emotional, and far more consistent. So the next time you feel that urge to enter, pause. Ask yourself one question. Is this alignment? Or is this discomfort trying to escape itself? Because that single question separates amateurs from professionals. Not strategy, not intelligence, not courage, restraint. If this resonated, right. Alignment over activity, not for motivation, for identity. And if you're building a trading approach based on filtration instead of impulse, subscribe. This channel isn't built for stimulation. It's built for precision. Stay patient. Respect the risk. Protect the capital. Stay in the game.